Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Golden not opposed to Wholeness Peace Ministry. While he has described Prime Minister Andrew Holness' proposed Ministry of Peace and Human Development as a deliberate and focused approach to fighting crime, opposition leader Mark Golden has cautioned that the move by itself will not be effective. My viewers and subscribers, I agree with Mark Golden. It will not be effective at all. It will just not, because whole heap of crime and violence are going. And you see Andrew Holness come out and run off his mouth and about peace. It's just a talk. He only just a come and say peace. The word peace by itself, it won't work. You understand? You have to have action back at that. Basically, that's what Mark Golden is trying to tell Andrew Holness. You have to have action back at that. So if there's no action, it will never stop. There's not going to be no peace. So true, you go to a little conference now and feel like you can use a little pretty speech as usual. It not going to work, Andrew Holness. And I agree with Mark Golden. The people want to tell me what you think and put it in the comment section. Here it is. The People's National Party is marching to the beat of change with the harmony of transparency and the people's voice as our instruments. We are dedicated to steering our country towards a brighter and inclusive future. My people, I want to take in KD night and hear what I say about the 6. Listen this.
Comrade candidates, comrade officers, comrade old-timers. I'm talking about the brethren, comrade chairman, comrade Bobby Pickersdale. And your leader, my leader, Jamaica's leader, Comrade Mark Jefferson Willoughby. I have to single out Comrade Bell because I'm in a WhatsApp group, and the WhatsApp group members say, I must hear you. And they tell me that I am to let you know that they are there for you. I'm not in any WhatsApp group with Doreen is. So nobody didn't give me a message to give her. But I am telling her, you darling, know that I am here to lead.
Yes, man, people, them there for your Mark Golden. Your man who want a leader with integrity.
Hear me now. I came here to break some laws and crack the legs. But already them broke one and cracked the other, so we just have to throw them out. I want to tell you that I was very impressed with the message that was coming out of these two candidates here in Portland. They are coming to you with a plan.
Yeah.
And that's important.
Of
Because
course.
if you don't have a plan, then you don't know what you're going to do.
Talk
And
truth.
the plan clearly is something that you like from both of them. Because as they spoke, I look at the faces, I listen to you brain, and I heard it say, yes, I envy you all. And so, I know that, and I know Anne-Marie. And you know, comes a time when you have passed your welcome.
Listen, my people.
They were here, you treated them good, but they didn't treat you good. So they gotta go. Comrades, I am so pleased. I am so proud. I'm so happy when I heard straight from the horse's mouth when Comrade Chairman Angela Brown says, I am not one of the six.
Yes.
And when Comrade Nickel Phillips said, I am not one of the six. And Comrade Margot has already told you, he is not one of the six.
All right.
So it makes it a little easier for me personally. Because, as I said somewhere else,
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear that? Okay. Mark Golden is not one of the six. Angela Brownberg is not one of the six. And the rest them name out themselves that they are not one of the six. So, since as J.L.P. like to come out and run off them mouth, why they not come out and say they are not one of the six? They cannot do it. They cannot do it. This is why somebody like Andrew Holness cannot lead. No, my people. This is why we have to vote out him backside. Wanna hear more?
if the Integrity Commission said they have some evidence that some parliamentarians, they are enriching themselves out of poor people money.
I agree to that. Long time them a do them something there. That's why I'm glad they didn't get catch. Yes, man. Hear more.
And not one on the side of the laborers can get up and say, I am not one. And since they can't say that, as I have said before, I'm going to say it again, they are suspects.
All of them.
We suspect them. But we're going to find out. We're going to find out. Because the next election, if by then we don't know, Mark will let us know who they are and who they were.
My viewers and subscribers, so now hear what KD Knight say, my people, not one of them can come out and say them they are not one of the 6. You hear? And more than 6 of them, you know, but 6 stand out. 6 stand out. On the hear what the man say they are suspect. Because obviously, if the comrades then can come out and say I know them, and none of uno remember say they love hype, you know, and show off, you know. Uno remember that, you know. And from yesterday now come and hype and make people they know what go on. Uno know say something and something they mix up. They come like mixy. Yeah? Yes. They mix up. When I hear my people, this is why I'm in a rate Andrew Holness, because Andrew Holness not declaring asset. You understand? He not declare it in time. It take how much years for declare it. And when he claimed that he declare it, yeah, him saying declare it, you know. But Integrity Commission never certify it because it is not satisfactory. You don't know what that means? That means that things are missing from their reports, from their documents. You understand me? And you see this channel, I will never stop talking about it. When you hear what I say, I go always talk about it over here. So as long as the case is ongoing, I will also talk about it. I'm gonna stop chat about it because everybody know who are the 6 thief. Wanna hear that? Everybody should know who is the 6 original gun thief in a J.L.P. because they mess up me on the right. And if them really now declare asset, that meant them a take money for enrich for themselves and feed them lifestyle lavishly, and that is wrong because they have a lot of poor people can't even find Lasco. You understand? For give them baby. You have people can't even find food for eat. And them all live lavish. It is not right, my people. It is not right. This is why me always a lick out against Andrew Holness. Me not forget. So when Andrew Holness a build some houses, some little clock up houses, he's supposed to build them. He's supposed to even build them bigger and better. He's supposed to build the house them because a taxpayer build it. A taxpayer money. And a Andrew Holness money. You understand? And the house that I build is supposed to build them better. They're not. I don't even like them because them too tiny. And Jaja, I not even really want to go into it. But that's all I say Andrew Holness I do. So to the people now, them feel like show Andrew Holness do that is like it a overshadow, and then I say, well, go on. There's a lot of things Andrew Holness is not doing for the people. You understand? So that's why I say if them really a thief up the money, them are enrich for themselves. You understand? For support for them lifestyle lavishly, and that is wrong. People like this, we have to get them out. We have to get them out. They are corrupt. We cannot have a corrupt government. We don't need a corrupt government, my people. We have to understand young people. We come together and stop thinking about one box food or stop thinking about piece of chicken and rice and peas. No, wanna stop thinking about that. You understand? Wanna have to think about the long run. Wanna have to think about the future of phone children. You understand? Where is our brave Jamaicans when me used to know? Where is our brave Jamaicans? They're not anymore because everybody just sit down and relax and say yes. Wanna say and where Andrew Holness do good. Other day, I see one news reporter ask a lady for name out some of the things them Andrew do good. And she said build house. And when I really check it, Andrew only build a little cloak up house them for the people them in a for them constituency, in a Labour right constituency. That's all he does. In a help poor people. You understand what I try to show you? So my people, we have to have wisdom and we have to come together and know say, for you have 6 thief, original thief in the J.L.P. Them have to come out. We're supposed to know. We have all right to know who is who because them come and are going like them are Mr. Good up and Mrs. Good on, but they are not. You understand me? Right. So we want Mark Golden, you need to release the name. You see, election, and you see, before election, we want to know who are the 6 thief. We want to know who is the 6 thief. So Juliet Wellness, you can stay by your chair and sit down and table this and table up and table down and table round and table oversight and we're not going to know, we have to know. We have to know, Juliet. We know, say, you try your best to cover up things, but this is why we want you to resign from the position there. How I can't believe, say, all Paul will, you know, are the one we go vote. Paul will are the one we go vote, put up for him extra finger when he shouldn't agree. He gone over parliament, gone did it, gone vote, and make Juliet Wallace now. She and Madam Speaker and cover up every damn thing. My people, this is not right. This is not right because this is how it look to us. And me have to talk how it look to us. I saw it look to we. It look like you're just placed there to cover up things. And it is not right. So everybody, we want to know the 6. Wanna put it in the comment section that you want to know the 6. You understand me? Right there. So anyway, my people, wanna like up the video, share out the video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, big up on a nice clean self, my people. Thanks for all the support. Thanks to everyone that has been liking my video, sharing my video, and subscribing to my channel. Guys, remember, you see when you subscribe to my channel, you click the post notification bell. You remember no? And you must click all right, because you have when you click and when you click on the subscription button, when I go see something say all or some, you click on all, so when me drop the video them, you get them straight away, my people. All right, thank you guys for all the support once again. Bless up. I'm out.